Looking for the right Forex broker? Today we're comparing IC Markets and SFX Markets to see which one fits your trading style. Let's start with IC Markets. This broker has been around since 2007 and is well known in the trading world. They're regulated by top-tier authorities, which means your money is safer. IC Markets offers super tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips on their raw spread account. You'll pay a small commission of $7 per standard lot, but overall the costs are really low. The minimum deposit is just $200, making it easy to get started. They support popular platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Plus, they have a great reputation with a 4.8 out of 5 star rating on Trustpilot from thousands of happy traders. Now let's talk about SFX Markets. Founded in 2011, this broker is based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They offer spreads starting from 0.1 pips, which sounds good, but here is the catch. Their trading costs are higher than average. The minimum deposit is $300, a bit more than IC Markets. SFX uses the MetaTrader 4 platform and offers up to 1 to 500 leverage. However, they don't have the same level of regulation as IC Markets. This overall rating sits at around 6 out of 10, which is okay but not outstanding. So what's the big difference? IC Markets wins on regulation, trust, and lower costs. They're perfect if you want tight spreads, fast execution, and peace of mind. SFX Markets might work if you're looking for high leverage, but the higher costs and weaker regulation are concerns. For most traders, especially beginners, IC Markets offers better value and security. Bottom line, IC Market is the safer, cheaper choice with better support and reputation. Ready to start trading? Check the links below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.